open for business. Welcome to Clifton, New Jersey, home of Coffiyeh or Coffiyeh or Coffiyeh. How do you say it?
It's actually Coffiyeh.
Coffiyeh.
Yeah, so coffee.
That might be a different. You got excited right there. Standard. Okay. Welcome to Clifton's new app.
So it's actually pronounced Coffiyeh.
Coffiyeh.
Yeah. Coffee. Coffee. Yeah. Coffee. So coffee, and then like Coffiyeh. So Coffiyeh.
All right. Tell me the origin of the name.
At the time, my wife was very passionate about coffee and wanting to start her own mobile coffee cart. And we were kind of bouncing between names of ideas. And then obviously during that time when we did start, there was boycotts that were going on for a lot of the coffee shops that were obviously supporting things that weren't at value to us, and a lot of it to majority of the community as well. So we wanted to bring something that represented our community. The brand itself is inspired by the Coffiyeh. The Coffiyeh has symbolism. It has representation of resistance.
I love when brands bring like two words together and make a brand new word, but in this case it's how you pronounce it that makes it a brand new word.
Yeah.
I remember having a conversation with your wife earlier, and you guys, because of how you guys have a mobile cart, you guys like source your beans pretty well. Like, can you explain about that a little bit?
We were going around trying different types of beans, trying to find something that actually, felt was something that we can present to the people that did come by. Curate an exceptional menu based on its notes. So we do work with a local roaster, and we've been able to find our blend that works very well. So our blend is a ratio between Guatemalan and Ethiopian. The notes right now in those beans are fruity, caramelly, and chocolatey. Have you had coffee that was?
Brother, I know beans a lot. Like, for example, an Ethiopian blend, has a blueberry note. So what's interesting, when you put like syrups that are fruity together with an Ethiopian yolk, it enhances the flavor of the coffee, and that's what I feel like. You guys have that really nice blend of the note of like the nuttiness with the fruity, so you can actually make any type of drink virtually.
So actually with the mobile, that was our intention with the beans. We wanted to have a profile that would be suitable for the curated menu that we present when we're going to events.
Why don't we get started?
Okay.
But I'm noticing where's the equipment?
So actually that's the thing. For us being mobile, we're consistently on the move. So right now our equipment is at another location, and it's a secret. So we're gonna have to blindfold you.
You're gonna have to blindfold me?
Yeah, blindfold. Are you able to keep a secret?
Listen, brother, I have a big mouth, so I'm not gonna be able to keep a secret. Right, but for you, maybe.
Nah, I don't think so. I don't.
Wait, what? What's going on here?
We're gonna blindfold you.
Blindfold me, okay.
And then we're gonna wind up taking you to the other location.
Blind Sip just took a new turn for events. All right. Honestly, that's what I should start doing for Blind Sips. Just start blindfolding people. All right, let's go this way.
Yep. Nope.
No, this way?
This way.
All right.
Okay.
Hold my hand. So how far is this place?
I don't know.
50-50.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't
Aren't
really
you
know
driving?
how far it is. No, usually I just put the GPS and it takes me.
50-50. Bro, what the
So let me ask you a question.
Go on.
What's your hot take about people who drink coffee?
I suggest people drink an iced Americano at least once. At least for us and our beans, I really enjoy our iced Americano. It's almost like a brewed tea. So when I was younger, I used to like, you ever see those like sweetened and unsweetened iced tea?
Yes.
A lot of the times the unsweetened, the sweetened tea was always finished because everybody loves the sugar and stuff. So I resorted to drinking the unsweetened. But I found that instead of masking the notes of the tea with the sugar, you get to actually taste the tea. And so for us in our Americano, it kind of gives me that feeling. Mm-hmm. It's very similar where you're actually able to sit there with your palate and kind of go through the notes that you're experiencing. Why is it called Americano?
So the reason why it's called Americano is because the European gave it for us as Americans, because we drink it with more of the watered out espresso with a little bit of milk. or a little bit of cream.
Do you know why it's called a cappuccino?
The cappuccino is because it has more milk
Yes.
than espresso.
The
Or
thing
do
is
you,
with
do you actually know the
No,
reason
so I was learning. I forgot the region it's in, but it was symbolic, or it had some resemblance of, I guess, the monks, like the cap monks. So a cappuccino. The monks had a bald head, and so like the top of it is kind of layered with that foam of.
why? Actually makes
yeah.
sense. Fast
Get
like
it?
I get it. Now you're getting comfortable with me. Brother,
Wait, one step.
help me with the steps.
Gotcha. Okay. All right, ready?
All right. Where are we?
Just gonna do a spin, just in case.
Just get me dizzy.
All right. This is how we actually started off.
Okay.
We were doing catering with events, weddings and birthday parties, anything that really deserves some type of celebration. At a certain point, we needed to have ourselves kind of brought out and be available a lot more consistently on the days that we didn't have events. So that's when we did get the trailer.
Okay.
And the trailer was phase 2. This was phase 1. And then hopefully now this is gonna be phase 3.
So an actual physical location.
Yeah.
Dude, that's
Yeah.
amazing.
People have been asking, so we wanted to kind of give them what they were asking for.
Well,
yeah.
I've been asking for it. I mean, I want some espresso now.
You got it.
I got to see what you got.
Can work. Okay, so the first drink that was ever made, right? Okay,
Do you want to bring
the wife and the original brains behind the entire operation?
What's your hot take about people who drink coffee?
I don't think espresso should actually be drank straight like that. I think it's beyond just what a black, cup of coffee is. I think it's being able to use your creativity to create these drinks that speak beyond just like
You had a bunch of Italians probably side-eyeing
Yeah.
you right now. Let's see how it's
Yeah.
done.
Okay.
I actually like the fact that you're weighing everything.
I want to see the smell.
Ooh. I can smell the nuttiness and this fruit from the Ethiopian blend. It smells
With the wire.
amazing, by the way.
Okay, so I heard that you brought some stuff that you wanted us
Yes,
to kind of
yes.
try.
So
going on with that?
ever since we started the series,
Okay.
right? The whole point was to see the host and the owner go toe to toe on who makes the best drink, right?
Is it a version of that drink or just like our best drink?
No. It's a drink I've been making.
Ah, yeah, okay.
So I want you guys to try this Palestinian latte.
Palestinian. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm interested to know what flavors are in there.
Oh, brother, you ain't ready.
You okay?
I don't know what's going on, guys. I don't know what's going
That's
on.
the second cup.
I don't know
It's
what's
alright.
going on, guys.
3 is the
I don't know what's going on, guys.
little
Third
bloopers.
is char.
I need to be
Chachni.
Chashni.
Chashni.
Chachni.
Like chanafa, cha.
Chachni.
Chashni.
So they actually changed my whole perspective on the cold drinks.
Okay.
But I still will hold on to my dear life. I'm excited to try this. It's a flat white.
Yeah.
Okay. Allah bismillah.
What happened?
Why'd you send me that? I like it. I like it.
What's your initial take? What's your first taste?
It tastes like a flat white. Like milk wasn't burnt, which I learned is a possibility.
Yes. Yeah.
The notes definitely, like you can taste the Ethiopian and the Guatemalan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there any like flavors that you guys are like known for?
Yes.
Like I want to taste like something that's a special. Like you mentioned before, Guatemalan, Ethiopian. It's easier to make some syrups in there. I want to.
So the whole intention behind the roast that we chose was, since we're mobile, we're very limited on space, and so we had to find a blend that is very works very well with multiple different flavor profiles, regardless of what syrup you're including in it. And so, actually our signature lattes are actually named after the villages that we're from in Palestine.
Ooh.
So we have the Turmusawi, which is named after Turmusaya, the village I'm from in Palestine, and then there's the Debwani, which is named after Debwan, the village he's from in Palestine.
Not too far from each other.
And so each of these drinks, each one of us took it upon ourselves to create something that suits well for what we believe would exemplify the flavors. And so With me, it was a rose and cardamom latte.
Okay.
And so it's been our top seller since we
Then I
started.
gotta try it for
so
sure.
you gotta try it. And then with his, it's actually a Dubai chocolate latte, but
It's a take on it.
it's a take
But,
on it.
okay,
It's the
so
best take that you can possibly
It's
take.
because I really enjoy pistachio, and I think a lot of times with the pistachio, chocolate complements it probably the best.
Nice.
And
Yeah.
so that's why I figured
And
that was soon. No.
He's gonna
It's
change his
gonna
mind
change.
when he tries it because
So,
it's not
okay,
your
but
typical.
it's got to be iced as well.
It's not.
So you
It's
gotta-
not your typical.
you're
No,
gonna
they
have
know.
two-
They
two
know why.
drinks.
They know why. They know why.
Why?
It's always a surprise. Blind
Okay.
sips.
Okay.
So tell me about the space. Like you guys, do you guys by any chance have an architect?
We're working with Dar Design, Adam Atliya, and
Wait, did you say Adam Ataya?
yeah.
You know, I went to college with him, right?
Oh no
Did you?
way!
Yeah, I study architecture.
Wow, what
Oh,
a
wow.
small world.
Yeah,
I don't
is he available to come through and talk about more about the space?
Maybe Sameh can give him a call.
Let me do my call real quick.
Okay.
It's ringing.
Yo,
Yo,
Adam,
what's up, bro?
what's good? I haven't seen you back since architecture days, man.
Miss you, man. How's everything?
Good.
What are you doing over here?
Coffee reviews, man.
Oh yeah, sick.
Yeah, welcome to Blind Sip, man.
These guys have the best coffee, man.
Honestly, I just tasted their flat white.
Yeah,
Amazing. But tell me more about what you have planned for the space.
We wanted to focus on the design being neutral, cozy, feels really warm and inviting when you come here and sit down to work, or if you're just picking up to leave, with subtle hints of the Palestinian culture, but in a really modern way that's like a little bit unexpected, or almost like a very creative take on Palestinian culture that's not always what's expected to see around.
Well, and honestly, like, I'm glad that you're here because also, too, you happen to be Palestinian.
Yes.
But I also want you to try a latte that I'm about to make.
Okay, so I
Okay.
think you should start with the Tumasaye.
Okay.
Tumasawi.
Tumasawi.
Tumasawi, because it is our signature drink, and yeah.
Okay,
Go ahead.
let's try it. Bismillah. It's actually really good.
You didn't want it to be.
He wants to try it so bad.
You guys gotta come up with a GD, I'm just saying.
I can taste the pistachio. It's good.
Okay.
With like mocha? Yeah.
Mhm.
This is actually really good. But
Does it change your take on the Dubai chocolate in general?
I always thought the baked chocolate was a gimmick.
Okay.
But I like this drink.
Okay.
I like this drink. Why don't we do this? Why don't I make you guys a drink? All right,
Yeah.
let's do it.
Let's go for it.
I think you're gonna like it more though.
I taste pistachio. Am I bugging?
No, you're not bugging. That's one of the flavors.
I taste pistachio.
There's pistachio in it too. I'm
Almost like a fruit, but
thinking
like
it's a fruit.
in a very. It's not tardy. I don't think it's tardy. I think.
That's what I was saying. It was interesting that you mentioned dark.
Yeah, I don't think
thought
it's
it said
tardy. I
tardy.
think
It's knafa inside.
No, but like
Uh-oh.
it's a fruit. It's a sweet fruit. Yeah. You
Not
want to say?
apricot.
No, don't say.
Okay.
I got it.
What'd you say?
He got it. He got
It's
the.
like watermelon a little bit.
That's what it
Yeah.
is.
That's what I just tasted.
Oh.
So you know why it's called the Palestinian
Watermelon.
latte, right?
Hopefully.
Watermelon.
It's because every single flavor counts for the Palestinian flag.
Oh wow.
Espresso is black, white is milk, red is the watermelon, and green is the pistachio.
Wow.
Okay. Just say it.
It is. It is
It's
better.
what?
It is better cold.
I would have never thought about putting pistachio and watermelon together. I'm just like thinking how
Just natural.
How it happened?
like how it complements each other. Maybe we need you to come by more often. We could just like
honestly,
work
I have
on
a- I have a
drinks
lot
and
of- I
things
have a
like
lot of-
that. Yeah.
I'm a maybe that's my next career, mixologist. But with that being said, thank you so much for showing us your
Thank you for
brand.
for everything.
No, absolutely. No,
Appreciate it, yeah.
thank you for showing me everything. Like, honestly, I found my two next drinks, and he probably found his next best drink. But is there anything you guys want to say before we end the segment?
We carry so much culture and value that I feel like needs to be shared more. And the idea with this space is that we want to share Palestinian hospitality.
Yeah,
You know,
it's
we want you to
very
feel like you're soaking in Palestinian culture and values, and the way, from the way that you're treated to the way that we host, to the quality of the drinks and food that you're gonna get, to even feeling like you belong in a space regardless of what your background is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Omar.
And
Thank you.
inshallah,
Yes.
may your future endeavors be blessed by the
Ameen.
grace of Allah.
Ameen, ya Rab. Ameen.
Ameen.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'd normally have an outro being outside, but since I don't know where I am and we're trying to keep this place a secret, I thought I'd take this time to appreciate my cameraman, camerawoman and producer. Honestly, without them, this project wouldn't have been possible. So thank you to the crew and cast, or crew and just crew. But next coffee shop we're going to, as usual, is a surprise here on Blind Sips. My name is Omar. Thank you. And can you help guide me? Where am I supposed to go? I was blindfolded the entire time. Peace.